Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve a very quick and defined wash and go by using just two products and also cutting down on drying time. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. But before we jump into this video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I drop a new video. So as you guys can see, I am doing this style on dry hair. I will not be using any water whatsoever. And by not using any water, it's gonna cut down on your drying time. I don't know about you guys, but the roots of my hair takes forever to dry. So this method is just a quick way to speed up my styling process. As you guys just saw, I already sectioned and detangled my hair. And this is one of the products I'll be using to achieve this wash and go. This is the Curl Unleash Curl Boosting Jelly from ORS. So I really like this product. It has a nice thick consistency. My hair feels very soft and moisturized, and it also defines my curls. So after applying the jelly, I decided to do some finger coils just to get more definition. But I wasn't fully satisfied with how it was looking. My roots were still a little puffy, and remember, I'm not using any water, so I felt like I needed another product just to help the jelly do its thing. I'm not saying that the jelly doesn't define my hair, because it really did, but I felt like if I was to use water, I'll get a better result. But since I wasn't using any water, I decided to add another product, and I added the Eco Styler Protein Gel. And that really made a big difference. On the right side where I use only the jelly, you guys are gonna see that it's very puffy and not so defined. And on the left side where I use both products, you're gonna see it's more elongated and more defined. By the way guys, bear in mind when doing a dry wash and go, you're gonna use way more product than usual. Normally we use water, and that helps to distribute the product throughout our entire hair. But since we're not using water, you're gonna need more product to make sure that every strand is coated. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I sat in front of my fan for about 45 minutes, and right now my hair is about 85 to 90% dry. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take out my blow dryer on medium heat and just get my curls a little bit more looser because everything is clumped together. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish drying out my hair and loosen out my curls a bit, and I'll be back with the final results. So this is the end result, you guys. My hair is very defined and it's moisturized, it's bouncy. The two products work very well together. I really love how it turned out, and a dry wash and go works way faster than a regular wash and go, well, at least for me. So yes, you guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this dry wash and go. Is it something you're willing to try, or do you prefer the regular wash and go? Drop your comments and yeah, let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.